Everybody out there in YouTube land, got a 1992 Explorer. This thing actually is pretty clean. It runs pretty good. We took a smog check on it. Failed. And now when we look at the readings, actually just this one at the low part failed. Everything else passed. It did. So my theory is we need to put some catalytic converters on here. This car has 105,000 miles, original 1992 engine, and it's either the EGR, we're high on the nitrous oxides, barely. Let's try this out. We're gonna go take it to the muffler shop. Welding. Mile-an-hour test. Smog check. Will it pass? Will it pass? On! It passed! That thing still revs out. Rev! Eddie Bauer. Look at that. Pass. It totally lowered everything. I need the other sheet over here. Everything went down mega. New catalytic converters. I would recommend that highly. Zwicky Land Auto Recommendations. Thank you for watching.